You're suspended for 9 weeks for disrespecting your substitute teacher. Go home right now.
Time to play Minecraft on my laptop.
Cody, you little baby rascal.
Oh my fucking god, what the fuck do you want from me now?
Principal Eric just called me and said that you disrespected your substitute teacher and got suspended again. Why, Cody the blue rascal? Why?
Because I don't give a flying fuck about her. Now leave me alone and let me play Minecraft in peace.
Cody the blue rascal, I'm so tired of you getting in trouble at school. That's it. Close your laptop and go to bed. You are grounded for 20 weeks.
And I'm so tired of you grounding me all the time, so fuck no, I'm not closing my laptop, and I'm still playing Minecraft. Go to hell, you bitch.
I can't take this anymore. You've been getting on my nerves every day, so I'm destroying your laptop.
Hey, stop, what are you doing? Dad, that was my favorite laptop. Why did you do that?
Shut up. This is what you get for getting in trouble at school and disrespecting your teacher. Now go to bed now. You are now grounded for 100 years.
No, you better buy me a new laptop. Buy me a new one, 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 buy me a new fucking laptop.
You better get your butt to bed or else I'll smack you real hard. You are baby rascal.
No. That was my favorite laptop. Shut the fuck up and stop laughing at me.
Cody, you better shut up before your PS5 is next.
No, you destroyed my laptop and you will buy me a new one.
Go to bed, you baby blue rascal.